Welcome arm wrestling fans, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News. These are the topics that we are going to discuss today. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed already, then please do it now. Yesterday, we saw a mega arm wrestling practice session between two of the all-time American great arm wrestlers, Todd Hutchings and Rob Vigent Jr. There were a lot of other guys as well in this practice that I'm not familiar with, so we are mostly going to talk about Rob and Todd. Todd Hutchings is already over 1000 subscribers, so if you are not one of them, then please subscribe. This practice session meant a lot for both of them because it could easily be their big final practice before their matches. On October 3rd at Arm Wars Reality Check, Rob Vigent is going to face the Bulgarian Sasho Andreev, who is a multiple world champion in different weight classes. Now before this video, my prediction was 5-1 in favor of Sasho. But to be honest, Rob did not look impressive at all in this practice. We can say that Sasho was preparing for Worlds, so he's ready, but Rob stopped training because earlier Sasho couldn't get vaccinated to come to UK. So the match was off and Rob got the call again with only a month left for the match. So obviously Rob won't be as much trained, as much prepared as Sasho for this match. But none of this counts when you put your elbow on the table. And after watching this practice session, my prediction has changed now. Now I have Sasho winning 6-0 instead of 5-1. I will be putting my money up on Sasho Andreev if the blocks open again. On the other hand, Todd Hutchings, who is going to face Corey West on October 16th, is looking beastly strong. He was even able to take Rob's hand in practice pulling, which should not happen, considering the fact that Rob is supposed to have a top 5 hand in North America. I have Todd Hutchings winning this match against Corey West, and I will put my money on Todd Hutchings if the blocks open again. Michael Todd is really confident in Corey. He thinks that Todd may not be able to grab Corey's huge hand. Maybe Michael knows something that nobody else does, because Michael knows Corey the most. But Todd is still my favorite, and I think everyone's favorite. Well, I am almost always a happy guy. But why today? IPL has started and I have already won my first bet placed on Bones.com on IPL matches. And I am sure that you are also looking for a place where you can bet your money on IPL matches in the safest way possible with easiest and quickest withdrawal options. Some of you already know about Bones.com. Well established, well trusted throughout Europe, and it also operates in Indian market. 24/7 chat support, easy deposit and withdraw options. Right from starting, you get 4 different bonuses to bet on sports and casino sections. So follow the link in the description. Just add 500 rupees and get additional 1000 rupees as a welcome bonus from Bones.com to bet on IPL matches. John Brazink's YouTube channel is already over 14,000 subscribers and he's uploading voiceovers, vlogs and all kinds of videos. John's recording and editing skills are way beyond everyone's expectations. At the end of his last video, John said that 4 arm wrestlers are next on his target list.
Coming after Dimitri, Lynn, Rob Vigent, and Zola.
Dimitri Kachen on October 2nd at Texas State Arm Wrestling Championship, Paul Lynn on October 23rd at the NAL event, and Rob Vigent Jr. at number 3, and surprisingly at number 4, Hadzimurat Zoloev. John Brazink has never faced Dimitri Kachen and Paul Lynn, but he is being considered a favorite against both of them, especially against Paul Lynn. Shutout stakes are enough to explain that. Now coming to RVJ and Zoloev. John has faced and beaten both of them in the past. But what do you guys think about John versus RVJ and Zoloev now? Can John beat these guys again at 57 or even 58 years of age? I think that John versus Rob could still be a good match, but Zoloev may be too much for John right now. When John was playing with Zoloev at 2015 A1 Russian Open, Zoloev was a little bit lighter than what he is now. And at that time, John was a beast. He was beating Devon Larratt at the same time. Both Zoloev and John aren't the same as 2015. John is weaker and Zoloev is stronger now. But we will see. John has also mentioned many times that he wants to arm wrestle Corey West. I think he forgot to mention his name in this video. And all I know is that it is a blessing for all of us to see John making a comeback. 5 years ago, can anyone imagine that John Brazink will be making another comeback in 2021 and saying that his right arm is coming for Dimitri, for Paul, RVJ and Zoloev and Corey West? and that too on his own YouTube channel. Unimaginable stuff. Anything can happen today. Now the big question. Is Devon Larratt going to compete in the Dubai Arm Wrestling Tournament on Wednesday, 22nd September?
Maybe.
There are going to be two weight categories, below 85 kg and above 85 kg, and the prize money is going to be 10,000 dirhams. Devon gave it a good 10 seconds thought at least whether he should compete or not, and he even said that he could compete, but judging by his expressions, I can say he won't. The haters would really have a go at Devon if he decides to compete in an easy tournament and chooses not to compete in the hard ones. I don't know if Devon is still there in Dubai or not. Larry, Mazahir, Suhail and Ruslan Babayev. These are the famous names that are going to be competing. Adam Silver said that they are thinking about doing these tournaments every other month. Good to see that Larry has brought this new arm wrestling culture in Dubai. Only positive things are going to come after that. They did not mention anything about left-handed class, so maybe the tournament is only right-handed. Give me your predictions. Who do you think is going to win this tournament? Now I am going to show IFA 2021 results. So there will be around 65 slides. So when the weight category of your interest comes, you may have to pause the video to watch the results. Bye bye. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.